sum up? Who thinks they can sum up how a mountain is made?
When,
Plates hit.
yeah,
Yeah, right?
yeah,
What
when
does that
plates
mean?
collide.
Like China plates? Like dinner plates?
Like,
Tectonic plates.
Right. Tectonic plates. The continental plates. So yeah, basically what happens is our Earth is covered in a broken eggshell. Underneath the water, underneath the land that we live on top of. You can think of it like a broken eggshell. It's all these pieces that we call plate tectonics, these big plates that are all kind of loosely puzzled together, but they're also all moving all the time. They never stop moving. And why are they moving? What's causing these big plates underneath us to move?
Floating on magma?
Yeah, they're floating on top of magma. But what's causing the movement, the lateral movement of them? Gravity plays a part, but there's a different force. It has to do with the magma. That plays a part too, but it's something else specifically. It has to do with the magma. Yeah. So the magma is hot, right? And as magma goes down, as it cools, it goes down and it sinks down. But as it heats up, the magma rises. And what that causes pressure underneath these big plates that we're on top of right now. It causes pressure on bottom of it. And the way that pressure is released a little bit is these plates shift around, they move around. And what happens is when plates hit against each other, it forms mountains sometimes. Now, so these, what do you think, what two plates hit together to form the Appalachian Mountains? Think about, we're on the east coast of the United States. What two plates hit together? First of all, what plate are we on top of? What plate does the United States sit on top of? What? The North American plate.
There you go.
It's called the North American plate. What about, so that's our plate. And then what plate would we have collided with to form these mountains on the eastern seaboard? What? It's not the Atlantic plate, because the North American plate extends out into the Atlantic. And then there's another one on the other side, not Europe. What's on the other side of the Atlantic of us? Africa. Yeah. So the North American plate, the African plate collided. The eastern edge of ours, the western edge of theirs. What happened is that pushed up the ground and it started to fold on top of itself. And that's what created these mountains. Now, mountain building doesn't happen overnight. How long does it what's the time scale for mountain building?
Millions of years.
Millions of years, yeah. Millions of years. I mean, it could be extended into billions of years. Probably not for the actual growth of the mountain, but for the entire lifespan of the mountain, perhaps. But yeah, so millions of years to make mountains.